G'day all! Google Bard is a revolutionary chatbot from Google AI which uses a large language model just like ChatGPT to provide intelligent responses to text-based queries. Its ability to comprehend, generate, and translate text with human-like fluency opens a world of possibilities for individuals and businesses alike. Let's embark on a journey to explore the functionalities of Google Bard. First up, how to access Google Bard. To begin your Google Bard experience, you will need a Google account. If you don't have one, head to www.google.com, hit the sign up button in the top right hand corner, and complete your profile. Once you have this set up, navigate to the Google Bard website at bard.google.com and sign in with your Google account. You'll have to accept the T's and C's, but once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by a user-friendly chat interface where you can engage in a conversation with Bard. Simply type a question to get a response then. A basic example would be, how old do elephants get? There is no Google Bard app as yet, but you can access it from your phone by going to the before mentioned website from your browser on your mobile device. If you are concerned about privacy, you must note your requests will be used to train the Bard AI. So for the time being, just like any other AI, be careful in regards to entering any personally sensitive information when using Google Bard. Secondly, we will look at how to craft effective prompts. Effective communication with Google Bard hinges on crafting clear and concise prompts or text requests. Be specific about your requests, providing relevant keywords and context to guide Bard's responses. For example, instead of asking, "Tell me about the James Webb Telescope," try, "How far away from Earth is the James Webb Telescope?" The more detailed you are, the better, so be as descriptive as possible. Google Bard is continuously learning and evolving, and your feedback plays a crucial role in its development. If a response doesn't meet your expectations, provide constructive criticism to help Bard improve. You can, for example, ask Google Bard to frame its answer in a more descriptive manner to get more detailed information. Treat it like a conversation and keep asking until you get the type of response you need. Next, we are going to look at some useful features in Bard. Google Bard is still under development, but its potential is impressive. It differs from ChatGPT in that it is not just answering out of a knowledge base, but it is internet connected and can search the web for answers. That doesn't mean that it will always provide you with factually accurate information though, unfortunately. You can, however, hit the G icon underneath the feedback it gives you and it will highlight areas of the response. When you click on the highlighted area, it will show you which site it got the information from. You can also click on the speaker icon to have the information read back to you audibly, or the mic icon in the prompt bar to verbally ask a question. You can also export your information directly out of Bard into Google Docs to work on it, or if you have asked it to lay out some facts in a table format, it can export it into a Google Sheet for you. This is a useful feature that older AI language models like ChatGPT 3.5 does not have. But how do you use Bard's versatility? Its capabilities extend far beyond simple question-answer interactions. You can use it for knowledge acquisition, uncovering insights into any topic, from historical events to scientific concepts. Ask Bard to provide a comprehensive overview of the Renaissance period, or delve into the intricacies of quantum mechanics. Or you can use it for creative writing. It can generate poems, scripts, or even musical pieces. Challenge Bard to compose a haiku about the beauty of nature or craft a captivating screenplay for a short film. Lastly, all you programmers out there can use it for code generation. Empower your programming endeavors by instructing Bard to generate code in various languages. Request Bard to create a Python script for data analysis, or generate JavaScript code for interactive web elements. In conclusion, Google Bard is versatile and surprising. And although it has some notably better features than ChatGPT 3.5, it is more or less the same than Microsoft Bing Chat, except for the fact that it cannot generate images directly from the chat like Bing Chat does. I've been using both and prefer Bing Chat, as it just seems more accurate and natural, and I love the fact that I can generate images directly from the chat just by entering prompts. You also get rewards points when using Bing Chat, which you can redeem for various gifts. Check out my video on this in the link at the top right hand of the screen for more detail on this. Google Bard is still very versatile though, and will probably be the go-to AI chatbot for those that are working on a budget and prefer the free use of Google Workspace applications like Docs and Sheets. What do you think? Is Bard superior to Microsoft's Bing Chat? Let me know in the comments. I hope that the before-mentioned steps helped you embrace the diverse functionalities of Google Bard. If it did, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more tech updates. Have a great day, and I will catch you in the next video.